Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to export Outlook contacts to Gmail. This is incredibly useful when you're switching email platforms or simply want to consolidate your contacts in one place. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Wait for your emails to fully load before proceeding. This ensures that all your data, including your contacts, is properly synced and ready to work with. Once everything has loaded, navigate to the File menu. You'll find this located at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are situated. Go ahead and click on the File tab to open that menu. When the File menu opens, look for the option labeled Open and Export. Click on it and the menu will expand to reveal additional options. From here, you want to click on Import/Export. This will launch the Import/Export wizard, which is the tool you'll use to extract your contacts. In the wizard window that appears, look for the option that says Export to a file and click on it. Then click Next to continue. The next screen will ask you to choose a file type. This is important. Select CSV, which stands for comma-separated values. This is the file format that Gmail can read and import without any issues. Now you need to select which folder you want to export. Look through the list until you find your contacts folder. Click on it to select it, then click Next. You're making good progress here. The next step is to choose where you want to save this exported file. Click on Browse to open a File Explorer window. Navigate to a location on your computer where you'll easily find this file later, maybe your Documents folder or desktop. Once you've selected your destination folder, you'll need to enter a file name for your exported contacts. Choose something simple and clear like Outlook Contacts Export. Then click OK. Back in the wizard, confirm your folder selection by clicking the checkbox. A header mapping window may appear at this point, which shows you which contact fields will be included in your export. Take a quick look to make sure everything looks correct, then click Finish. Outlook will now create your CSV file containing all your contacts. Once your exported CSV file is ready, it's time to move over to Gmail. Open a new browser tab and head to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into the Gmail account where you want these contacts to appear. When Gmail loads, look at the right side panel. You'll see various Google Apps icons there. Click on the Contacts tab, which looks like a person icon. Then look for the button that says Open in New tab and click it. This will launch Google Contacts in its own dedicated tab. In Google Contacts, look for the Import button and click on it. A window will appear asking you to select a file. Click on Select a File and a File Explorer window will open. Navigate to the location where you saved that CSV file from Outlook earlier. Click on the file to select it, then click Open. Gmail will now process and import all those contacts. Depending on how many contacts you have, this might take a moment, so be patient while it completes. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Outlook contacts into Gmail. All your contact information is now accessible in your Gmail account, making it easier to send emails and stay connected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.